Jai Srimanarayana. 19th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Prakrutim Purusham Chaiva Vidhi Anadi Vubhavapi Vikaramscha Gunamschaiva Vidhi Prakruti Sambhavan. Om. Realize that this material nature, Prakriti, and yourself, all the Atmas, are beginningless. And also, when did you started joining this Prakriti is also unknown. But this is the best opportunity, this life is the best opportunity for you to get rid of this Prakriti and go to the divine abode. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that this material nature, Prakriti, and myself and all the Atmas are beginningless. And also I understand that when did I start getting into Prakriti also is unknown. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall also realize and remember the fact that this is only the life and the best opportunity for me to get rid of this relation with the nature, Prakriti, and go to divine abode. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasanयुtam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamakrutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 246th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this: Hey Bhagavan, all the residents of Nandavraj, their life is you. They dedicate themselves to you. That is why I want to get their feet dust and sprinkle on my head. If I can't do that, I don't care this Yela Brahma Padambu. I don't need this status of Chaturmukha Brahma. Hey Bhagavan, Putana, who is she? She is a demon. Her entire family is demon. And she has taken beautiful form, came to you and gave milk to you to kill you. But in return, what did you do? You have assumed herself into you. That means you gave her moksham. Now, if that is the case, I want to imagine what would be the greatest fruit that you can give it to all the residents of Nandavraj. Because Tvataparam Kutra Api, for them, you are the entire world, you are the whole world. There is nothing else for them other than you. And their Dhama, Ardha, Suhrut, Priya, Atma, Tanaya, Prana, Asayaha, Nikun Puradara, Putra Gruha, Gostri, Prana, Dehadulellan, Vanchimpakayichu, Gopakulakun, Lakshimpanemichedo, Ani, Sandehamuto Chuchunnadi, Prapanna Nikarakshamani. Gopalas, all the residents of Nandavraj, they gave away everything to you, their houses, their wealth, their relatives, their beloved ones, their bodies, their children, their pranas, their hridayam, their mind, everything without any hesitation. They gave everything to you. Now, I want to compare. If Putana got moksham, what is there? Bhavan Kim Devarata. What did you have? What do you have? Greatest thing that you can give it to these Gopalas. Other than the moksham which you gave it to Putana, is there anything greater than moksham with you so that you can give that one to residents of Nandavraj? I am very, very curious to understand and curious to know what can you give it to Gopalas. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 19th sloka. Prakrutim Purusham Chaiva Vidhi Anadi Vubhavapi Vikarams Gunams Chaiva Vidhi Prakriti Sambhavan. Prakrutim Purusham Chaiva Vidhi Anadi Vubhavapi Vikarams Gunams Chaiva Vidhi Prakriti Sambhavan. Sriman Narayana करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।